Welcome back to Fixing with Friends. I'm your host, that guy you know, and today we're picking up where we left off, pulling the dash on the Datsun. Before we jump right back into it, I'm going to recommend that if you're pulling the dash out yourself, there are a lot of components and wires to disconnect while you're removing the dash, so go slowly, disconnect everything that you can see, undo all the bolts that you can see, and then as you go back through and check for extra things, because chances are there's going to be something still connected, and some of the stuff, it's a lot easier to remove once it's part way out. As you'll see, there's at least one connection in the upper sort of driver's side that you really can't get to it properly to remove until the dash is actually just hanging on stuff. So, as I said, go slowly, because you don't want to break stuff. Anyway, let's get to it. How did I do this last time? Question will be if I can remember where they all go. This is where one of those electric ratchets would come in handy. Might be already done. Almost smoked myself in the face. A smaller screwdriver. Made by Fuji Kiko Fuji Kiko Corporation. CO stands for company, and also corporate officer. Well, there's movement. That's a good sign. Let's see if it's connected anywhere else. Don't poop on my car. I can hear you. Plotting. You want to see? Can't see anything from down there. Sorry, the blue jays left because there's no food for them. So I'm gonna go get some and see if they come back, and then maybe you can see them. If not, too bad for you. They said it's free. It's definitely something. Alright, I may get stuck into this. And then this will be on my lap and I'll just be stuck pulling things out and I can't even move the camera. I'll figure something out. Oh, that's not a good sound. I'm sure there's something else I need to disconnect. So I noticed it was stuck on the harnesses, so I disconnected the ones over by the fuse box for the dash harness and the one connecting to the steering column. There's a couple more back here with the brake. Yeah, brake switch. Hopefully I don't break any of these old connections. Break the connection. That's what you're supposed to do. There are a series of metal, I don't know, clips that you fold over the harnesses to hold them in place. My guess is it's one of those that it's stuck on. So it's not the end of the world if I pull it loose because it'll just open it, but I'd rather not have anything snag just in case. Huh. I don't know where that fell from. Some sort of guide for electrical connection. Right, so I got a couple of things. I forgot about the speedo cable. Or I didn't forget, rather I just thought that it ran differently than it does. Oh well. I thought it came across and down through there. It does not. Before you go any further, I really suggest you remove the stalks from the steering column. Well, good, something else is stuck. I'm sure had I found it, the manual has an explanation. Of what bolts need to be pulled out, but I could not find it. Of course, the manual is like 1/8 of the size as for the Oldsmobiles, so maybe not. Sorry, guys. That sounded like braking. See, it's harnessing its special powers. Screwdriver. Should have just done that first. Well, that was a bit of a chore, but you can see it's off now, as you saw already. Still gonna take some work to get to that thing at the back there, the water cock. Alright, thanks for watching. We're gonna pick it up in another couple days, so see you then, maybe.